Detroit lets automakers test smart parking technology in a real garage. Ford, Bosch, and Enterprise are all getting involved. The city of Detroit, in partnership with both Ford and Bosch, is about to open a new smart parking lab hosted in Detroit's Bedrock Assembly Garage, a real-world environment to test future autonomous technologies that could be used to refine autonomous valet parking. Ooh.
So it's not just cars. Apparently they have what are these called again?
Scooters?
The scooters.
Electric scooters.
So
I like that word, by the way.
the scooters?
One more time, Will.
The scooters?
Scooter.
Yeah.
Parking is hard, man.
It is, yeah.
Parking is hard. It's a disaster. Everyone's dinging and denting, and it's a nightmare. And when it comes to autonomous driving, the parking part and the summoning part and the walking, like these parking garages are terrifying, these things. You're going up all these levels, and imagine you just jump out the car at the entry. Go ahead, Will. Go ahead, Will.
Sorry to interrupt, but I was just saying, like, these compounds, do they give you anxiety, these parking spaces?
Like in
like the multi-level or underground or above, concrete, giant pillars, right angles. For some reason, it gives me high anxiety.
Is it like a claustrophobic feeling, or is it more like I can't get out of here quickly if I need to? I guess that is a claustrophobic.
Yeah. And I just feel like there's so many like problems that can go wrong. Like you smear the wall or like a pillar in your car.
Oh, I see. They're just tight and not fun to drive in. Oh, yeah. No one's having fun in a parkade.
Especially in the traffic.
No one's having fun in there. No. It's not a fun place to be. You deal with them, you work with them because they're what do you call it? They're a necessary evil. You got to put your car somewhere. But they're definitely not, no one would describe them as fun. But imagine it's smart and it's autonomous valet, and you just roll up to the front and the car parks itself. Then you come back, you get back to the nice little entrance, you sit on a bench, and the car brings itself back down.
That would be the dream. As you can see here, this smart parking lab is multi-leveled. So I'm guessing they're testing ways to get the car from literally the top of the level down to the bottom.
Yeah, and those cars can't be bumping into one another as they're doing the musical chairs up there. So
it's nice how it's not just like a flat parking lot. There's levels, right?
More
and
complexity
the car can,
and more efficiency, density, so on and so forth. This is lovely. If you've ever gone to a sporting event or something and you drive, and then all of a sudden the game lets out and you got to get into your car in the parking garage, and
knowing
everyone is doing it
you.
at the same time, it's a
Nightmare.
bit of this is something that can be improved upon. Thank you for fixing that as well, Will.
Yeah.